Welcome to Chapter 1, Section 6, Comments. By the end of this section, you should feel confident writing comments in docstrings. These are not just for yourself, but also for teammates and security reviewers who may need to understand your code quickly. Python is clean and minimal. It uses indentation instead of braces to define code blocks. Remember, it's case sensitive. Comments start with a hash, and strings can use single, double, or triple quotes. Keep your naming clear and avoid keywords. The hash symbol is critical for comments. Python ignores everything after it on a line, but inside strings, it's just text. You can see our example here, user ID number, the hash symbol 42. When we print that, that is not a comment because it is wrapped in single quotes. That treats the hash symbol as a literal hash. Effective comments should focus on why the code exists. Security is about context. Instead of saying get input, we want to explain why we're getting input. For example, validating user input to prevent SQL injection. This makes your code more useful to teammates and auditors. Let's jump into SavageScan and add some comments. I'm logged into Kali here and have SavageScan open. Let's go ahead and add some comments at the top. We'll start with declaring variables. Uh, this is printing the header. Now we can use the hash after a statement. So the print statement will still execute here, but we can say we're just printing the header and we're printing the disclaimer. Here we're prompting for an IP address. And that's all there is to adding comments. Now this does not add any additional functionality to SavageScan. It just makes the code easier to read for other developers. This is the process known as refactoring. Refactoring is when you add changes to your code that does not add additional functionality. It just makes the code easier to read and easier to maintain. Next up, we're going to take a look at conditional logic in regular expressions.